Hi friends, I'm Mark Govan here with ABC Pest Control in Largo, Florida. And a lot of people always want to know how to identify ants, because there's so many different ant species. If you don't know what type of ant you have, well, you have to be able to identify it. So unfortunately, unless your eyes are better than mine, you're going to need a microscope, because microscopes can help you look at the ant in ways that you can't normally tell through the naked eye. Now, if you look at the little chart that we have here behind me, this will tell you how we identify ants at ABC Pest Control. You have to look at the segments between the ants, and in between those segments are nodes that attach the abdomen to the thorax. So in that area, you have either one node or two nodes. So that's one way you tell. Another way is to go ahead and count the actual segments on the antenna. Now, you know how small an ant is. Try counting those yourself without a magnifying glass or without a microscope. Very, very hard to do. But some of them might have 3 or 4 lobes on the antenna. Others might have 10 or 12. That's very important. Another way to tell is by the actual size or length of the legs that the ant has. If you can tell, like crazy ants have very long legs, and that way they run around very quick. Another way to tell the difference, of course, is color. And again, we have a nice color chart here below that shows you some of the different colorations of ants, and that may be one of the first keys to help you identify ants too. Now, something else is the shape of the ant. Certain ants may have a pointed rear end, and others may have long antennae. All of these are ways in a professional pest control service that they use to go ahead and find out what the different types of ants are. So, number one, like I said, is identification, and using a key will sure help you. I'm Mark Govan with ABC Pest Control in Largo, Florida, hoping you have a pest-free day.